Hello everyone, in this video we will start a new chapter, chapter 1 of BST named Nature and Scope of Business. In class 11th we studied about what is business. Now in class 12th we will learn about how does business work. Basically, the working of business is termed as management. The second topic we will learn about is characteristics or features of management. The third topic we will learn about is what are different fields of management. The fourth topic in this chapter will be importance of management.